Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela and I make sewing and DIY videos. In this video, I'm going to be fixing the rip on a jacket. The rip I'm going to work on is on the side seam and under the arms. I get to do that a lot. It is one of the most requested repairs in our studio, especially during winter season. I have a couple of jackets here for the same fix right now, so I thought it might be useful for you to see how I do it. By the way, this is how I fix rips of every kind on lined jackets and coats that might be on the pockets, zippers, collars or any other seam. To begin, I need to find a way to turn the jacket inside out. Usually there is a top-stitched opening on one of the sleeves. This is how the jacket was manufactured, so that all the seams stay on the inside. The last seams were made as the inside of the jacket was pulled through this hole in the sleeve, and that's how I'm going to repair it as well. In my case though, the jacket was closed with a binding at the hemline. I'm not going to mess with it, I'm still going to work through the sleeve. I'm opening the seam enough so I can work easily, but not too much. I don't want to get to the hem or the underarm seam because this is going to create more work for me later, and I most certainly don't want that. When I'm done, I pull the face side of the jacket through the sleeve. I want the area I'm going to be working on to be out. In this case, it would be the side seams under the arms. I get both layers of fabric face sides together and make the seam. I'll align the side seams nicely and pin together. Start sewing a bit over the old seam and backstitch at the beginning and the end because you don't want these seams to pop up easily again. And when I'm done, I turn the jacket inside out to check if I've matched the seams. I have a habit of always doing that before closing seams or top stitching somewhere because sometimes I think I did good, but there are surprises and that would save me from ripping seams later. I'm going to repeat the same with the other side. This time I'm going to pull the other sleeve through the same hole and repeat. And when I'm done, I'm just closing the hole I made in the sleeve with a narrow top stitching seam. Before you see the final result, I want to show you the same fix on a pair of ski pants. The steps you need to follow are the same. Find the top stitched hole, which this time is on the leg. Break the seam to open the hole, flip the pants inside out, pin and sew where the seam is ripped. Finally, top stitch the hole and you are done. And here is the final result with the jacket. I hope you find this video useful. If so, give it a like, subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell to get updates when I post a new vid. If you use any of my tutorials to fix or make something of your own, tag me on Instagram at Sewing for a Living so I can see it and love it. For my other tutorials on jacket repairs that include replacing a zipper and shortening sleeves, check out the description below. Thank you so much for watching.